Crash course on Poland: art, museums, music, and performing art. Welcome to Poland, a country with a rich artistic heritage and a thriving arts scene. Let's explore the captivating world of Polish art, visit renowned museums and galleries, and immerse ourselves in the diverse music and performing arts scenes, including traditional music, concerts, and festivals. Explore the artistic heritage. Poland boasts a storied art history, with renowned artists such as Jan Matejko, Stanisław Wyspiański, and Tamara de Lempicka leaving their mark on the world. Explore the iconic works at the National Museum in Warsaw and the Wawel Royal Castle in Kraków. Admire the stunning architecture of historic churches and cathedrals, adorned with captivating paintings and sculptures. Exciting story: The Lady with an Ermine. One of Poland's most famous art pieces is The Lady with an Ermine, by Leonardo da Vinci. The portrait depicts Cecilia Gallerani, the mistress of Ludovico Sforza, Duke of Milan. It is said that the Duke commissioned the painting as a gift for Cecilia, and da Vinci captured her beauty with precision, holding an ermine, symbolizing purity. Top 12 attractions: art, museums, music, and performing art. 1. National Museum in Warsaw, a treasure trove of Polish art and history. 2. Wawel Royal Castle, home to impressive collections and stunning architecture. 3. Royal Łazienki Park, discover art and nature in perfect harmony. 4. Sukiennice Museum in Kraków, a marketplace turned art gallery. 5. Copernicus Science Center in Warsaw, a hub for interactive science and art exhibitions. 6. Polish Vodka Museum in Warsaw, celebrate Poland's iconic spirit through artful exhibits. 7. Frédéric Chopin Museum in Warsaw, commemorating the great composer's legacy. 8. International Chopin Piano Competition in Warsaw, a celebration of musical talent. 9. Tatra Mountains, find inspiration in the breathtaking natural beauty that has inspired artists for centuries. 10. Szczecin Philharmonic Hall, an architectural marvel hosting spectacular concerts. 11. Kraków Live Festival, a gathering of international music stars and a celebration of contemporary music. 12. Rawa Blues Festival in Katowice, embrace the soulful sounds of blues music. Summarizing this crash course on Poland's artistic wonders. From Matejko's canvas to da Vinci's Lady's Grace. The National Museum in Warsaw, a treasure to embrace. Wawel Castle's splendor, history's embrace. Royal Łazienki Park, where art and nature dance. Sukiennice Museum, a marketplace's romance. Copernicus Science Center, creativity's delight. Polish Vodka Museum, spirits shining bright. Chopin's legacy, a musical delight. The International Piano Competition, a starry night. Tatra Mountains beauty, inspiration's call. Szczecin Philharmonic Hall, a masterpiece tall. Kraków Live Festival, music in the air. Rawa Blues Festival, soulful sounds we share. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8 = 7989335. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.